You should use a thread in the same color as the fabric, and you can use regular sewing thread, but you should have it double. As you can see here, when I fasten the thread, I have it in between my fingers and I just aim at the eye of the needle. To make a knot, you spin it around your finger and then you spin it around itself and pull it downwards. You can hide the knot under the fabric or under the button. So you sew in the eye of the button and then you go back down the button and through the fabric. You should do this at least 6 times. It depends on how heavy the fabric is. So you sew until you think it will be fastened enough. To fasten the thread, you should go up in between the fabric and the button. And then you loop the thread around the button a couple of times. Leave a loop, and here you can turn the needle around twice, and when you pull it you will get a knot under the button. You can do this twice or more to make sure that everything is fastened. Cut the thread, and you can also watch my video about buttonholes. I'm going to show you how you can fasten the thread when you have made some hand sewing. So when you have made some hand sewing and you want to finish, you need to fasten the thread, and you can do it in the same way as you did under the button. You leave a loop. You can then turn the thread around the needle a couple of times, and when you pull it you get a knot. Do this twice or more.